How to make no one can see your work on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your work on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here click profile information, and now here just click on your work here, this pen, click on it and click share with friends and see more and click only me and then save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.